southeast of Cary, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Here's WX3.
Include Smithfield, Garner, Fuquay, Varina, Clayton, Angier, Selma, Four Oaks, Coates Crossroads, Flowers, and Lake Benson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The thunderstorm was located near Garner, or 13 miles southeast of Cary, moving south at 5
The
miles
National
per hour.
Weather Service in Raleigh
Hazard,
has issued a
60
severe
miles per hour
thunderstorm
wind
warning
gusts
for
and quarter-size
northeast
hail.
Harnett County and central
Source,
North Carolina,
radar indicated.
south central Wake County and
Impact,
central North
hail
Carolina,
damage to vehicles
central
is
Johnson
expected.
County and central North
Expect
Carolina,
wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Smithfield, Garner, Fuquay, Varina, Clayton, Angier, Selma, Four Oaks, Coates Crossroads, Flowers, and Lake Benson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Harnett, Johnson, and Wake.
locations impacted include Smithfield, Garner,